But here's the thing. When I got to sign about the papers, I walked over to his office and I sat at the edge of his chair. And I said, what happened? What's going on? And he said, what did you think you're doing? I said, you know what? I honestly thought I had a good relationship with the bank and that you were going to treat me right. And he said, what's your definition? I want you to listen to this point. He said, what's your definition of a good relationship with the bank? And I stopped thinking and I said, what is your definition, sir? I said, he said, my definition of a good relationship with the bank is you win sometime and we win sometime. You think a good relationship with the bank is you win every time. We appreciate that you're aggressive. You want to get the best loans. You're careful in the payments. You leave reserves. You talk to us right away. You communicate very well. But you have to let us win sometimes. And the previous loans you got were very good loans. You know it, Cherif. We locked in the rate for you. We give you more than anybody loan to value, and we told you. We processed the loan for you in 1 week. We never do it for anybody. Let us win one time. I said, wow. Totally. That conversation changed the way I do business with banks.